All right, folks, here we go with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Explorer 3.7 all-wheel drive with 61,000 miles. 61,000 miles, folks. Once again, the miles is going to be all original. This was a black and white unit from the city of Long Beach, California. I did have the whole vehicle repainted black. The vehicle has been fully reconditioned, has been serviced, has been detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, folks. She is ready to go anywhere across the states. She's ready to go to work or her new home. Once again, folks, the paint is new. Vehicle doesn't have any door dings whatsoever. Vehicle does have a fresh window tint all around. This is going to be at 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light. Vehicle also does have 3 holes in the roof from previous police antenna. Let me go ahead and get close up here for you guys. Upon arrival, the vehicle had that antenna in place, that antenna in place over there, and the factory antenna in place, which is going to be the shark fin right here. I did add this antenna right here, which is the short 2-inch wire antenna. The vehicle could not look any more legit out on the road, folks. Black on black, so she is gonna draw nice attention when you're going down the road. The vehicle does have a working backup camera and working backup sensors, folks. Just so you know, I do have some minor little scratches here on the rear bumper. You guys can see that right there. All right, minor scratches on the rear bumper. Marca. Folks, just so you know, the vehicle does have a new set of takeoffs, 245 55 18s. The vehicle, when the vehicle first arrived, the tires that were on it, they were dry rot, so I went ahead and replaced those for you. Once again, you do have a new set of takeoffs, 245 55 18s. All 4 steel wheels have been reconditioned and repainted, so they do look new all over again. Folks, once again, the whole vehicle has been reconditioned, and I brought her back to original specs, back to new conditions. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lenses in the front. I do have a new set of OEM, new set of spotlight assembly on the vehicle. When the vehicle first came in, the spotlights were not in place, so I went ahead and grabbed those, bought them new. So you do have new OEM assembly spotlights with LED bulbs. The vehicle also received a new used Satina push bar. I did have that installed back into the vehicle. When the vehicle first came in, there was nothing in the front. So yes, you got a new used Satina push bar on this vehicle. The vehicle does look very, very aggressive, mean coming down the road. What you see is what you're gonna get. Once again, this vehicle does have 61 original 1,000 miles. 61,000 miles, all original, folks. From the city of Long Beach, 3.7 all-wheel drive vehicle. She's ready to go to work or ready to go to her new home. Let's go inside and show you what I got to work with here, folks. The vehicle is complete, and once again, she doesn't need anything whatsoever. When it comes to taking care of you, folks, I am the man. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have a new rear seat, leather rear seat. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Perfect vinyl flooring, no tears, no rips. Perfect vinyl flooring, no tears, no rips. All 4 door panels are in nice condition, folks. Driver's side seat is in nice, comfortable shape. The vehicle does have an aftermarket center console there. The vehicle does have a what it appears to be a new condition passenger side seat. Cruise control does work in the vehicle. Factory Bluetooth also works in the vehicle. I already tried it, so everything does work on this unit. Vehicle does have 2 keys from the city of Long Beach. Once again, Long Beach always likes to have 2 keys for the vehicle. One to open the car, and the second one is to start the car. Let's get inside of the car here real quick. We're gonna start her up. All pressure lights are up. 61,000 miles on this vehicle. I'm still driving it around. Vehicle does have new LED bulbs in it that are in working condition. Folks, once again, the spotlights are new from beginning to end. So there you go. What you see is what you're gonna get. Map lights do work. Vehicle is equipped with 2 ticket lights, so it does work. Okay, ticket lights do work. Cruise control does work. Air conditioner does work. Bluetooth does work, folks. No complaints in here whatsoever. No complaints in here whatsoever. Everything does work. Okay, let's go to the trunk here real quick. If I do forget anything, folks, I'm gonna mention it on the eBay item. Sometimes my brain is going 100 miles an hour here, and I will forget a detail or two, but I try not to forget in the ad. Vehicle does have a full spare matching spare tire and wheel here. Hold down pin in place. Floor jack in place. All right, here she is. Once again, what you see is what you are gonna get. Let's go under the hood real quick here and show you guys what I got to work with. Brand new paint, folks. Brand new paint here. Let me focus in real quick. OEM HID lights, super bright at night. They do make a difference when you are driving at nighttime here. One hand, so please hold on with me. Bear with me. Hang on, guys. Starting right to left, folks. This is the engine. Very smooth, very quiet, very strong. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. There you go. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have a brand new battery. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Full synthetic transmission service was done by Motorcraft LV. Do not use anything else on these units. Try to stick to original equipment as much as you can. Once again, the transmission was serviced, and we did use Motorcraft LV. All fluids and coolant have been topped off, along with the brake fluid. The vehicle does have 61,000 miles, so she didn't really need much. But regardless of, I still went through the vehicle myself, and she is in great running condition, and literally in new running condition, folks. Everything does work. The front and rear brakes, they're around 80% for that department, so I did not have to replace those at all. Once again, front and rear brakes are around 80%. No need to replace those. And I also did install the new cabin filter in this unit. Brand new cabin filter in this unit, folks. All right, folks, here she is. If you should have any questions, comments, concerns, please do not hesitate to give me a call, or feel free to reach out to me. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to call me or text me. I'm not sure how long this vehicle will remain online, but again, if you see something you like, do not hesitate to call me. Let's see if we can come to an agreement, okay? This vehicle is road ready. She's ready to go to her new home, or she's ready to go to work, okay? Clean and clear title, 2017 Ford Explorer with only 61,000 miles, folks. That is it. Folks, once again, I set you up for success on another great looking running vehicle. All right, folks, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to stay with me for these 12 minutes. You guys have a great weekend. Please take care. God bless. And stay safe out there. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thank you very much and take care.